gusto ko lang itanong, ano ang naramdaman mo watching them do that wedding kiss?
Guys, can you imagine ako yung pastora, nandito lang sila, kalapit na naghalikan. All I'm going to say, kung ano po yung kilig na nararamdaman nyo, guys, standing there, 10 times yung kilig.
Wow!
Siyempre, proud tayong pastora sa Union ng Kimbao.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos sa mundo.
Tawagin natin ang ating Bida Best Barkada. Let's call in V, Kauri, and Yves Flores and Brian C. Hello! Hello po!
Hello!
Wow, you made it, Yves! Okay. Bati mo tayo sa kanilang lahat. Let's start with Yves.
Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sana masaya tayo at
Masaya kami kasi nandito ka na.
Yes!
Sabi nga kayo, baka pagkamala na tayo yung love team, mahirap naman yun.
Brian, please greet everybody.
magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hello. Saya. Hello.
Thank you, Brian. Of course, the diva, V. Malmo.
Hello everybody! Ay, pagod na. Hello everybody!
Kauri, please greet
Yes,
everybody.
magandang hapon, Market!
And Jillian.
Yes, again, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito! Sa'yo naman mga John! Yeah!
Energy mo. Iba ang energy. Iba talaga ang energy pag best actress eh.
Best actress! Palakpakan naman!
Okay. Dahil nandito kayo sa stage, maglalaro tayo ng isang game. Ayan. Meron kayong kasama ang 5 fans. Let's call in yung ating 5 contestants. Yay! Palakpakan natin PGYO! Bati muna kayo sa kanila lahat, please.
Mabuhay!
Hello po, ako po si Akira.
Hello po, ako po si Nick.
Hello, I'm JL.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mickey.
Ako si Jello and VR.
BGYO!
Grabe naninibago ako dun sa kanta niyo, ang bagal.
Parang
Kasi sinaya ko sa mga kikil-kikil moves niyo, diba? Pero I'm very happy that you're part of the soundtrack ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, and pasalamatan niyo na yung pasalamatan, please.
Yes, of course, gusto namin pasalamatan ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim dahil po napili niyo po kami as para kumanta sa OST. And actually, saya nung process nitong song na to eh. Kasi first time, hindi naman first time, pero minsan lang kami magkaroon ng ganitong song. Kasi makikita nyo kami sumasayaw at nagigigil. Pero ngayon, medyo mellow lang tayo.
Yeah. Kaya nakakapanibago, kaya congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Palakpakan natin, BGYO!
Thank you, sir. So, process na pumunta. Maraming salamat. We love you.
Thank you, boys!
Thank you.
Hello po everyone! I am Angela Ken. I'm a singer-songwriter under Ignis Civil Music. So, the song I wrote po was Ikaw Sana Siya, one of the OSTs of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, thank you po also for this series na sinali po yung kanta ko for their series. Yun po!
Ang hilig ko talaga sa mga ganong kanta. Yung parang medyo tagos, medyo Pero congratulations on being part of the soundtrack. Palakpakan natin again, Angela Ken! Thank you! Yehey! Palakpakan natin, Kim Chi!
Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mahal ko kayo.
Hey, did you know, alam niyo ba, lumipad lang si Kim Won-shik, bumiyahe lang siya from South Korea just to do this!
Yes.
Won-shik, how does it feel to be part of the series and to sing one of the songs?
I was so glad that I could be the part of this masterpiece. And you know, I love the Philippines. And please root for me
Yay!
everywhere. Thank you.
Are you open to doing more projects here in the Philippines?
Of course, if you just root for me and support me, I'm gonna come here and do more projects.
We'll see more of you. Thank you
Yes.
very much. Palakpakan natin, Kim Won-shik!
Thank you.
Laging mayroong bunga ay ganda ng araw ng liwanag.
Uy, parang alam nyo, napakaswerte natin na naharana tayo ni Franco Laurel, one of the finest singers ng Pilipinas. Palakpakan natin, Franco Laurel!
Thank you, MJ.
Grabe, what a treat! Maraming salamat. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Thank you very much, Franco!
Hey guys, thank you sa napakainit na pagtanggap.
Oo, sobrang init, nagubad ka na eh. Too hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. But I'm so happy, Jake, that your energy is so back.
Thank you, thank you.
It's so nice to see you back here in What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Yes.
Unforgettable behind-the-scenes story.
Wow, I think for me, not forget, it's working with Kim again eh. Sabi ko, for me, marami na kami nagawa ni Kim, pero every time ko siya makatrabaho, it feels like the first time.
Right.
Excited ka talaga makatrabaho siya.
Ako to
Kaya, kunin ko na rin yung pagkakataon na magpasalamat sa lahat ng Kim Pao fans. It's been an honor and it's been a pleasure to entertain all of you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Okay, dyan ka lang. Relax ka lang dyan. Tawagin natin again, Mr. Franco Laurel. And also joining us on stage, sina Felix at Doc Liwanag, Kai Cortez and Ramnick Sarmenta!
Dapat, hindi makapunta yung baby, sabi ko akong bahala.
Sample nga, sapon! Sapon! Kai, ay salamin sa loob. Ay, ganun pala. Ibang naman. Bati ka muna, Kai, please, to everybody.
Hello, Market Market! Excited na ba kayo makita ang Kim Pao? Wait lang kayo dyan.
Diba? And of course, Gawad Urian, Best Actor! Ramnick Sarmenta!
Sabi, i-arte ko na lang daw. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Thank you for having us. Hanggang dito pala sa likod, no? Kamusta kayo? Huwag kayong mag-alala, lalabas sila. Promise. Pag hindi magkakalit naman, anak ko, ba't hindi sila lumabas? Thank you.
Okay, Ramnick, Kai, Franco, and Jake, we're gonna play a game.
Okay.
We're gonna play a game and we have 6 lucky fans.
Nakakataba ng puso, hindi namin in-expect na malaki yung impact sa buhay niyo, sa happiness ninyo, at mas nabibigyan po ng kahulugan yung mga ginagawa namin kapag nakakita po ako ng mga ganitong video. So, kung nagpapasalamat po kayo sa Kim Pao at sa palabas na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kami po personal nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kayo po talaga yung naging inspirasyon namin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi rin po ganun magiging successful ng show at hindi rin po ganun magiging kalakas yung drive namin para gawin itong palabas dito. Salamat po sa inyo.
Nice, wow. Kimi?
Yes, again, maraming salamat. No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Mapa-online man yan, face-to-face or mall show or trending party or kahit na ano, basta may Kim Pao, nandyan po kayo para supportahan at mahalin kami. Kaya we're very thankful and grateful sa support na binibigay po ninyo. And mas
Salamat.
JJ!
Thank you so much! Maraming salamat sa pagsusuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Make sure I got you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Until the next one. Thank you, View and Dreamscape.
Franco!
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa show namin, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede nyo pa rin mag-binge watch sa View. At maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape and of course, sa aming pinakamamahal na Kim Pao. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Of course, syempre, Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo malayong pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo, sa pagsuporta nyo, sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin, tatanawin ito na pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. So, thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic, Universe, Kim Nation, Kim Chu Global, mga Paolo, Nuggets, Kim Pao Team Abroad. Sana wala kaming
Wow, may team abroad pa.
Imichus, lahat na nandito ngayon. At sa naman nasa taas, again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. At nasa baba pa na. Thank you so much. And MJ, thank you so much.
Of course, Kimmy, Paolo, maraming salamat. Palampakan natin! The guest of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat to Morgan. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye! Bow. Ulit. One. Kimmy, ready, Kim, ready. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's wrong? With Secretary Kim.
Happy Pride! Thank you so much.
Thank you, Morgan. Party.
Mapapanood kasi rin po What's Wrong with Secretary Kim and every weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m., Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m.
Alright. Well, thank you guys again. Maraming salamat to our partners, ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, CJ E&M, Choco Mucho, Everyday Heaven, Hyundai, Innovate Everyday, Grab. Subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab food delivery every day. If it isn't on extreme, your trusted Ginhawa for sleep problems, Bello, get a swift lift with Linear Firm by Bello. At sa ating ground sponsor, Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth, Pediasure Plus na.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team, Direct Chad, Direct Paco, Miss Kathy, Ro, View, Miss Garlic, everybody from Dreamscape and View. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Bigyan natin ng malaking palakpakan ang team ng View at Dreamscape.
Alright, can I invite the View Philippines team please on stage? And yeah, isang photo lang, dito na tayo. This is our family day.
Sila
Direct Chat,
Direct Paco.
Please, let's join on Go. Team of Dreamscape Entertainment. And then after this, we're done. Maraming salamat. Garden, let's go. View Philippines, ayan, ito na. One group photo lang, tapos we're done. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng punta dito ngayon sa Market. At nakikita nyo on stage right now is the team behind What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, View Philippines, Dreamscape Entertainment, and the cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Pwede pong lumipat yung iba dito.
Meron pa kami dito.
Meron pa po dito.
Pwede kayo dito.
Maluwag pa po dito para lang center.
Pwede kayo dito.
Closer.
Hindi kami nangangagat.
Ayan, yung bagong